If you think politics is all chaos and conflict, think again. Here's a story of hope and harmony from Africa. NELSONCHAMISA, Zimbabwe's prominent opposition leader, recently took to social media to applaud Botswana's smooth leadership change. He congratulated President Masisi for his exceptional maturity and for ensuring a peaceful transition of power. Chamisa highlighted how President Masisi's graciousness in defeat and magnanimity in victory sets an example for the whole continent. In a world where political tensions can often escalate, Chamisa's message is a breath of fresh air. He emphasized that the vote, voice and will of the citizens must always be respected. This kind of leadership isn't just good for Botswana, it's good for all of Africa. As Chamisa puts it, this is how it should be, so here's to more leaders who uphold democracy and respect the people's choice. God bless Botswana. God bless Africa.